Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to talk all things keto diet, how to do keto, how to do strict keto, how to do macro counting. We're going to talk different types of macros, and yeah, I want to talk about some supplements, muscle cramps, all the things, okay? So if you guys are interested in hearing what I have to say and you know, all those things, go ahead and stay tuned. Hey friends, welcome back. We have week 1 strict keto under our belt, okay? So you guys have seen a ton of videos this week on strict keto with the macros. So I went ahead this morning and I jumped on the scale. This is Saturday morning that I jumped on the scale, okay? I'm filming this a little bit early for you guys because I'm gonna I wanna talk and I wanna spend Sunday talking. But anyways, jumped on the scale and I lost a 0.4. So I was 177.8. So 0.4, a half a pound. So I kept the weight off from the beef and butter fast and I lost a 0.4. Honestly, I'm thoroughly not impressed. I'm going to tell you that. I thought maybe with the strict keto, I would be a little bit lighter for sure because I did cut my calories down. I am intermittent fasting. Hey, I'm still doing the whole, my mind's still good. If you guys are new here, I did attempt intermittent fasting for a while. And then I had some spotting in between my cycles. My anxiety kicked up. It was intense. But the fact that I'm counting my macros is making sure I'm getting the food in. So I think that's better. Okay, back to the game. So yeah, I'm not impressed. I think I need to kind of go back to the drawing board on the macros. I want to go ahead and give you a tell you what my macros are right now. I got this calculation from Wholesome Yum. I talked about them last week, and this is the macros they gave me. I used their calculator, I put them in, and you know, whatever. Okay, so I have a grand total of 131 grams of fat, 79 grams of protein, and about 20 net carbs, okay? So I've been staying underneath my net carbs, and I think the grand total was like 1575 in total calories, which is pretty good, okay? I am working out, but I will tell you this, guys, this week I went to the gym twice. Yeah, twice. I think so. No, 3 times. I went to the gym 3 times this week. The other days, I had no energy. And I don't know if it's intermittent fasted related, but I really did not have any energy. I felt really, really tired. And I've been having horrendous muscle cramps, like horrible, where like I'm so sore. The bottom of my foot, if you guys are aware, I have the plantar fasciitis, but I do know that I've been wearing a lot of like sandals and that really triggers it. But man, that was really acting up. I just did not have it. So I was like, damn, my electrolytes are off somewhere. When I was remembering, these are the 2 supplements I'm taking. I'm taking 250 milligram of magnesium. I take 2 tablets, so that's 500 milligrams of magnesium. And then I take 99 milligrams of potassium. 99 milligrams of potassium. I take 2 of those, so about 200. Okay, these are the ones I take. Ooh, if it'll focus, that'll be splendid. All right, these are the 2 I take, okay? I mean, I get them at my local store. So yeah, I have been doing like Powerades, and I had somebody tell me Powerade is pure poison. I cannot do that soul water. It tastes horrible. I don't know if it's a soul water, but like where you put the sea salt in it, or the pink Himalayan salt, it tastes so gross. I can't do it. I tried. It's disgusting. Yeah, I don't know what the issue is. I don't know where these problems are coming in at. And I didn't feel too hungry. There was some nights where I was definitely feeling a little hungry, but I was okay. So I've been eating, you know, no later than like 4 or 5 o'clock, you know, not eating before 9 o'clock. I've done a couple of my workouts fasted. I was drinking the Bangs while I was fasted and working out, but I guess Bang does cause a response, so it will break your fast, so I cannot do that. Note to self. But yeah, I don't know what's going on, so I need your help. First off, I need to know what supplements you guys are taking, because I think I need a better supplement routine. Am I not taking enough magnesium, enough potassium? Like, what do you guys think? I try to look this stuff up online and I can never get a straight answer, okay? Also, oh, I bought this too. I bought like a ton of these. I do know they sell like this electrolyte and mineral water at Whole Foods, and I actually really like it, and it was pretty cheap. But my local grocer had these on sale for 99 cents, so I bought a ton of them because, you know, they're huge. So this does have like magnesium, potassium, and all that stuff, just so I can kind of stay away from like the Gatorade Zeros and the Powerade Zeros, because they do have carbs in them if you drink the whole one. So I wanted to go with the water. I wanted to show that to you. So yeah, I need to know, like, what are you guys doing? I need your help on this one. You know, we're friends here, and I need as much help as I can get. Also, I do know that usually when you have a new set of macros, you should wait about 2 weeks and kind of see how they go. I've been getting a lot of messages on Keto Chaos, and I think it's Dr. Finney. I don't know if I'm saying it right. She follows Dr. Finney, whatever, I don't know, potato. And he does different types of macros for keto. So I guess they do a lower fat, a higher protein, and low carb. This intrigues me. It's something different, and I like that. Y'all know I likes that, okay? You know I like something different, and I like to try new things. And, you know, a lot of people were telling me this, and I think a lot of people it's hard to read somebody's tone, if you will, on a message. Some people will be like, oh my God, you're eating too much, your fat's too high. And in my head, it's either like, so it's, I don't know, is it like, girl, you're eating too much, your fats are too high, let me help you? Or is it, oh my God, you're eating too much, your fats are too high? That's the tricky part about the internet. So what I do is I always take it as example one. Hey girl, you know, and I try to take it as they're being nice. Okay, so maybe my fats are too high. Maybe that's why I haven't really lost any weight in a while. You know, why I've lost inches. The inches aren't really, and inches are what matter, guys. You know, if I were to show you a picture between September of last year and September of this year, and it's only a good 15-pound difference, it looks probably closer to 40 by the inches. Like, I had really lost fat. Keto is a fat loss diet, okay? Fat loss and weight loss are totally two different things. Fat loss is what you're going to see, okay? That's the inches, okay? But honestly though, I do want to see the scale move. I would like, honestly, Christmas is coming, okay? We all know we don't stick to plan that great during the holidays. It's just human nature. So I would really like to be down maybe another 10, 12 pounds by Christmas time, just in case, you know, my Aunt Val's cherry tarts pop up and she only makes them for Christmas, okay? Just in case my mother-in-law Chabela's tamales pop up and her atole pop up, which is like Mexican hot chocolate. It's so freaking good. But anyways, and like Leo's Anna, she makes it, she puts barley. Well, besides the point, that's Christmas, okay? You know, my mother-in-law makes these like fried tortilla, like dough things that she puts sugar and brown sugar in, like cinnamon. Anyway, she makes those for New Year's. This is why I was overweight my whole damn life. Anyways, like I said, I just like want to be on plan, because sometimes I fall off and, you know, I don't really beat myself up for it. I have a lot of plans for after the holidays, and, you know, we'll get there when we get there. But nonetheless, I really would like to get there, but I want to feel my best, and I don't feel that good. Not the fact that like I feel hungry or anything, I just feel like achy and kind of tired. So there's something I'm not doing right, and I need you guys to kind of help me figure out what it is. So, and I know, you know, you guys are my friends, so I know I'm not, and I said this before, I don't take any of your guys' input as insulting, or I don't ever want you guys to feel like you cannot come here and be 100% honest with me and be my friends and be each other's friends and be like, look girl, I know you think that works, but just try this. You know, when I first started keto, these like keto chaos macros that everybody's calling them, that was unheard of. When I first started keto, nobody did it except for kids who suffered from epilepsy. It was very, very new, and it was very, very unheard of. When I looked up keto, when I first started it, there was one person on the internet that did it, and it was Michelle Rock. Girl, if you're watching this, you've been my keto hero from day one. But seriously, she was one of the only people I've ever seen on here from that long ago, and she was just a reference point. So, and you know, it was, you know, there was a small amount of Facebook groups, and you know, the Facebook group I followed, those were the macros that I followed, and they're like, no, you need whatever your ideal weight is, that's going to be your grams of fat, half of that's going to be your protein, and 20 net carbs. Simple, cut and dry. You know, they didn't even want you to come on that group and even address any type of other macros. That's the macros that group followed, cut and dry, that's it. So it's crazy to kind of see how it is, and I'm really, the more we talked about it, the more people explained it to me, and I love you guys for doing that. I want to say her name is Adriana, Adriana, you know, I read a lot of you were one of the ones to first bring it up on here, and I was like, okay, and you know, I really appreciate you taking all the time and messaging me and giving me all this info. So I think I want to try those macros. You will see, so tomorrow, which is Monday, you're gonna see a full day of eating, okay? On Wednesday, I have a really awesome collab coming towards you guys, and it's with two of my best keto gals, and we're gonna blow you out the water. Like, you guys ain't ready for this collab. It's gonna be so good. So you guys are gonna see that on Wednesday. On Friday, I would like to try, I can film a full day of eating with these new macros. But I will start, you know, utilizing the macros hopefully come tomorrow, Monday. But here's my issue. I cannot find any of these places that are gonna give me these macros. So could someone point me in the right direction? So that's what I'm thinking I'm gonna do. I know it's debatable. I know it's something new. I know that, you know, it's very controversial, but so was keto when it started. And any weight loss journey, whether you're on Weight Watchers, keto, Atkins, whatever, okay? There's so many, is very personal, and it's, you know, not every one way works for each person, okay? So maybe I just need to try it out, okay? I don't know. Why not? Maybe it'll work. Maybe it's the newest thing. Maybe you guys will see, like, hey, look, I've been stuck and I've hit this plateau, and I've done the egg fast and the beef and butter fast, and then I just kind of just sit there and I don't lose any more weight again until I do another fast a month later. You know, maybe we got to flip up these macros. That's what happens. That's okay. Sometimes your body gets used to it and you gotta trick it. So that's what my plan is. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do these macros. I know, so crazy. But yeah, so I think that's my plan. So we're gonna switch it up. We're gonna try these Keto Chaos macros. I'll leave on the community tab here, I'm gonna leave a link to wherever these people link me to, or wherever I find it, and I'll list my new macros. I would really love for you guys to take the time out once you're done with this and follow me over on Instagram. I am gonna link it right here and down below. I also have a Facebook if you guys want to follow me over on Facebook. I'm still learning. I don't know. There's a lot of weird people. I disabled the messages on Facebook because I was getting phone calls via them and it was weird. So yeah, don't send me a Facebook message. I also have a Facebook page, Daniela Diaries. Follow it. I mean, I don't even know how to use that either, but I'm trying, okay? I'm trying to be like a social media person. Trying. But yeah, I would really like for you guys to follow me over on Instagram. I'm very, very active over there, and we have a really good time. And you know, if you like seeing more of this bright personality, then y'all know what's up. It's a good time over there. So yeah, that's what I really wanted to discuss with you guys, was these muscle cramps and these macros. I stuck to these macros, tracking every day, and I intermittent fasted every day, and I am damn proud of myself. Somebody who did not do it, who felt overwhelmed, I'm like digging it now. Sometimes it's a little annoying, not gonna lie, but I'm liking it. I'm liking it so far. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of come on here, talk these plans. Like I said, I'm really trying to drop this last like 10-12 pounds just so I can be holiday ready. I really want to make sure I'm hitting the gym this week so I can feel better. So I'm gonna try to get as much water and electrolytes in and see if I feel better that way. and then, you know, just figure out these new macros and go ahead and hit the ground running. So this week, again, we're gonna have some, I want to talk about this as well. I try to do, I know some people on here don't follow me for keto, and I understand that, and I'm okay with that. Some people are just here for the weight loss motivation. Some people are just here because y'all my homies and we real friends and you're here for it, okay? But some people just like to see something other. I am way more than just keto. I am way more than my weight loss journey. I am way more than my weight. And I never wanted to be looked at for that reason. And so I try to add in extra videos each week, something different. Like yesterday, you had seen a vlog, just a regular vlog of my mom. I'm a mom and my life. Cleaning videos, fashion videos. I'm gonna start really pulling out some beauty videos. So if you guys want to hear for makeup tutorials and hair tutorials, I'm gonna try to see if I can get in. I'm gonna try to get into my sister's salon and maybe do some things there, kind of see what they do up there. I really want to just bring you guys in. I ideally would love to be a 4-day upload person. I'm kind of there right now because I'm, you know, uploading. Initially I was only uploading 3 days a week, but I've been just, you know, pumping out the content because I'm just motivated by you guys. So I don't know, if you guys are interested in seeing more than just keto, I want you to, down below, give me the thumbs up emoji. Thumbs up. P.S. I have the lucky thumb. So anybody who has the lucky thumb that looks like that looks like the toe thumb, that's me. I was really embarrassed of it my whole life, and now there's so many people who have it, so I'm not alone. So lucky thumb up. All right, guys, I'm gonna roll up out of here, but I love you. Let me know all the stuff below. Help your girl out. Let me know how your week's been. How are you doing? Are you doing the strict macros? Don't forget, in September, we're doing the egg fast. And let me know, are you guys here for it? Are you here for all the new content and all such things? But all right, guys, I love you, and I will see you on the next one. Don't forget to come on over to Instagram. It's a good time. All right, bye, guys.